all new CFMOTO U10 Pro. We threw the poly windshield in last night. We're gonna put the back glass in today and show you guys how to do that. I did not need to do a walkthrough. It comes as the poly. You got 4 clips. The clips literally hinge out and lock in and snap back, and they lock into the frame here. So couldn't get much easier. We have doors coming for this. They had to special order those. They're in stock, luckily, so CFMOTO has them in the warehouse. So we should see them hopefully in the next 7 to 10 days. We also went yesterday and picked up this new Defender Limited Max. So we done a lot of comparisons between this buggy and the CFMOTO. We're gonna go ahead and unbox the back glass. Now this is a rear glass sliding. So it's not poly, it's actual glass. So that's the part number and everything. There's really no installation instructions. Remove the top roof fixed bolts. Not real hard. There's gonna be 4 holes across the top of this and 4 holes across the bottom. They are going to go, those 4 roof bolts come out, and then there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 on that little hinge bracket. That's gonna be it. So we'll set this thing up and get these pulled. So I don't know if they can see this. These spacers are a little shorter than these, so the longer bolts are going to go in the bottom. Which still gives you plenty of light. And these will go in the top.
Did that over there first? There you go.
There you have it. Pretty simple install. The CFMOTO U10 Pro back glass. This thing does have a slider in it. Let's get it outside and look at it. It's a completed installed rear windshield. It's got the poly front. Slider glass rear.